And Krista, I mean, to go to you on this, this video footage that they're talking about clearly holds important information, excuse me, when it comes to the crime. What do you think it means if it was damaged?
Well, I think that
Excuse me.
there's jury instructions on this that, if something is intentionally damaged or destroyed, you can assume that it, contained, the worst of what you think it would contain. I think that it's interesting that it really wasn't, examined or sought after or asked for in any complete way. We're just trusting the fact that the DVR no longer exists and the video is no longer there. And the lead detective on cross-examination this morning was getting destroyed by the defense when she was asked why she didn't even ask for it. Her response was, "I'm just trusting that the information, that the witness or that the suspect is giving me correct information, that the citizen is not lying to me. So it's not trust but verify." It's pretty shocking.
And Bradley Barkhurst, he's a forensic fire supervisor. We heard from him. Let's listen to what he had to say in court.
The badly damaged video hard drive that you were able to download. Do you recall that?
Yes.
Okay. Do you know what the settings were for how long that video system was supposed to record?
No.
Okay. And why don't you know that?
Typically that I have to access the video recorder menus on that, and it's too damaged for me to do so.
Okay. And does the video system from 719 volts have an overwrite feature?
I don't know.
Okay. And why don't you know that?
Because I can't look in the menu of the video recorder.
Is there anything else that would lead you to believe that there was an overwrite system in the video from 719 volts?
It's not unusual for video recorders to have an overwrite feature.
Do you know if that video system from 719 volts was motion activated?
I don't know.
Okay. And is that again in the settings where you would tell that?
Correct.
And that was too badly damaged?
Correct.
And is there anything that would make you believe that this video system from 719 volts was motion activated?
Yes.
And tell the jury why you believe that.
Because there are many video clips on it. Some are short, some are long, and it's spread out over the time of recording, which is common with motion detection recorders.
Okay, so it's based on what you were reviewing, it was consistent with motion activation.
Correct.
All right, so Krista, I mean, to you on this, why is this video footage so important and what happened to it so important in this case?
Well, because it can provide a timeline of who was where and maybe provide that eyewitness testimony that you want to have in cases like this. This is a circumstantial case that, that resulted in the most horrific kinds of death. So, having anything to piece together that can catch a live motion when someone's walking by a video camera in front of a house and picking up that would be right there, so telling in terms of, is this the right person? Is this the right suspect? We have the right guy on trial here. So I think that it is, some of the most critical pieces of evidence that, just can't be accessed because of how, because it was destroyed in the fire.